Welcome all my dear students. Today we are going to start with a new lesson of mathematics, that is and polynomial. This lesson will be very much helpful to you in 10th standard. Maximum things आपको in 8th standard also you will having some part of this polynomial. You have learned what is algebraic expression, how to add them, how to multiply them, how to divide them, how to subtract them, and also some part was there in algebraic expression, factorization, simplify and factorization. So in simplify and factorization, you have used some identities. You have taken use of some identities that a plus b whole bracket square binomial square is equals to a square plus y z plus b square. Such properties you have seen. Okay, you have also seen the multiplication and division. So these all are included here in the lesson polynomial. So if you have any problem in your basics, so please go to 7th standard, 8th standard, and first read that things properly, because you have lot of time now to expend the time on your basics. Okay, you can give time to your basics and clear it, then you can go to your 9th standard. One also very important topic was here in 8th standard, that is factorization of quadratic polynomial was there. So that will be very much important for 9th standard also, for 10th standard also, and for future also. Okay, so these are the part that you should learn from the 8th standard. Okay, now we will start polynomial with basics only. You have learned what are variables. Okay, variables सभी को पता होंगे. Variables means what? The symbol which don't have fixed value. The symbol which don't have fixed value are called as variables. ऐसे symbols जिसको fixed value नहीं होती है, that are called as an variables. Suppose we can give the examples x, y, z and so on, which varies or which have no fixed value, जिसको fixed value नहीं होती है, that are called as variables. After that we learn what are constants. What are constants? So what are constants? The symbol which have fixed value are called as constant. Means जो कभी भी चेंज नहीं होते और जिसको चेंज करने से पूरा algebraic expression ही क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. So that are nothing but constant. The symbol we can write the examples 1, 2. These are the numbers. If we change the number, then everything is going to change. So these are which have fixed value are called what? Constants. ठीक है? These are variables which have no fixed value. Constant, they have fixed value. Example 1, 2, 3 and so on. Pi, you can say pi will come in future. ठीक है? So these are variables and these are constant. After that we saw what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Now what is algebraic expression? So the combination of variable and constants, the combination of variable and constant variable and constant with the signs, with the operation, which basic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are called as algebraic expression. Okay, we can write they are formed by combination. They are formed by combination of constants and variables with basic operations, which are the basic operation? Plus, minus, multiplication and division is called as algebraic expression. Okay, we can give many examples. 2x square, 3x plus 4, 3x square minus 7x plus 1. So these all are algebraic expressions जहाँ पे constant, variable, multiplication sign, constant, variable, multiplication, addition, constant. So these all are algebraic expressions. Okay. Now we learn about the polynomials. Now polynomials. What are polynomials now? Algebraic expression तो अपने देख लिया. What are polynomials now? The polynomials are the algebraic expression. Polynomials are the algebraic expression which have or whose variable has whole number as a power. Which variables has whole number as a power is called polynomials. It's very easy. Polynomials are the algebraic expression having power of the variable as whole numbers. Means non-negative. Negative numbers नहीं चाहिए, fraction भी नहीं चाहिए. Suppose this is an example, 2x square minus 3x to the power minus 1. So this is not a polynomial. Example, 2x cube minus plus 3x square plus 1. This is polynomial because if we think about the powers, here all the powers are positive. All the powers are positive, and as the powers are positive means whole numbers, so we can say that this is called as a polynomials. So what are polynomials? Again I am repeating, the algebraic expression whose or in which the variables has positive we can say or whole number as a power is called as polynomials. Okay. After that, term is there. So what are terms now? Terms are the part of algebraic expression which is separated by addition and subtraction sign. Terms कुछ नहीं है, ये terms है. These are called as the terms. But if you want to count the terms, then terms are only separated by addition and subtraction sign. Terms are separated. Terms are separated by addition and subtraction sign only. Addition and subtraction sign only. ठीक है. अब आपको मैंने पूछा इसमें कितने टर्म्स है? So this is 1 and this is 2. So how many terms are there here? Here there are 2 terms. Here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 Now, on the basis of terms, on the basis of term, the polynomials are classified into following types. See now, what are that? On the basis of terms. On the basis of types of polynomials in right now. Types of polynomials. So, the polynomials having only one term, the polynomial having only one term is called as monomial. The polynomial having only one term are called monomial. Only one term. Okay? The polynomial having only one term is called monomial. Next, you can do the example of monomial. Example 2x, x, y, z, 2x, y, p, q. These all are the examples of monomial. Second is the binomial. Binomial. Now, what are binomial? If we study about the binomial, what are binomials? See, the point is very easy. Mono 1, bi 2, tri 3. So mono means one term. So binomials means how many terms? The algebraic expression of the polynomial having two terms at max, two terms or at least two terms. Exactly, there should be two terms. This word will be exact there, that polynomial having exact two terms are called as binomial. Are called as binomial. So it will be having two terms. ठीक है? अब टू टर्म्स के लिए एग्जांपल क्या आएंगे? तो 2x plus 1, 3x minus 1, okay? 1 minus 4x square y. These are the examples of binomial. Now, the third one is trinomial. Trinomial. Now, what are trinomial? So, the polynomial having three terms are called as trinomial. Having how many terms? So, having three terms are called as trinomial. Example you can give. What are the example? 2x minus 3x. 2x square minus 3x minus 1 plus 3x cube. Sorry, it is I have done 4 terms here. So only 3 terms is called as trinomial. After that, there is, now see here, these are the three monomials, one term, binomial, two terms, trinomial, three terms, and after that, the group of these whole are called as polynomial. Means polynomials is what? Having one term, two term, three term, or more than that are called as polynomials. ठीक है? एक टर्म हो, दो हो, तीन हो या इनसे ज्यादा भी होते हैं, so that all are included in polynomials. Okay? Now, again the polynomials are divided under the basis of their degree. अब इसके पहले आपको डिग्री बताना पड़ेगा. वैसा आपने लर्न किया है डिग्री. डिग्री क्या होती है? I will explain you here what is degree. I think everyone knows what is power. है ना? These are the powers. Here power nothing is there means one is there. The power of the variables we use to count. Here power, here let it be. Here three variables are there. So we need to say power of x is 1, power of y is 1, power of z is 1. ठीक है? In this 9th standard we have to deal with the polynomial द हाईएस्ट पावर मतलब किसका? वेरिएबल का. द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन द algebraic expression of in the polynomial is called as degree. ठीक है? हाईएस्ट पावर of the variable of the term in the polynomial is called as degree. I am giving you example. Highest power, याद लिखो. Highest power of variable. Highest power of the variable is called degree. If I give you the example here, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4x to the power 4 minus 5. So here power of x in this term is 3, power of term in this, power of variable in this term is 2, power of variable in this term is 4, and here power of variable is 0. ठीक है? So we can say that highest power is 4. Therefore degree of given polynomial is how much? 4. Highest power is called as the degree. ठीक है? Now on the basis of degree, the polynomials are again divided into following types. Now which are the types? See, on the basis of degree, this was on the basis of terms. ठीक है? एक टर्म होंगी तो मोनोमियल, दो टर्म होंगे तो बाइनोमियल, तीन टर्म्स होंगे तो ट्राइनोमियल. Now and if more than one term, one or more than one term is there, then it is called as polynomials. Now according to degree or on the basis of degree, the polynomials are also divided. Number 1 is linear polynomial. Now what is linear polynomial? So the polynomial whose degree is 1 is called as linear polynomial. ऐसे polynomial जिसकी डिग्री कितनी होती है? 1 होती है. They are called as linear polynomial. You have learned this type of polynomials or this type of equation in 7th and 8th standard. आपने देखा होगा कोई लेसन थे आपको जिसका नाम था लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. वहां पे आपको पढ़ाया गया होगा लीनियर किसको बोलते हैं? जिसका हाईएस्ट पावर कितना हो? 1, एंड हाईएस्ट पावर मींस डिग्री. So linear polynomial is the polynomial whose highest or whose degree is 1, whose degree is 1 is called as linear polynomial. If you are told to do the examples, many examples are 2x plus 4, 3y minus 1. So these are all the examples of linear polynomial. Then there is quadratic. Polynomials. Now what are quadratic polynomials? So the polynomials whose degree is 2. जिसकी डिग्री कितनी होती है? 2 होती है. That are called as quadratic polynomial. Degree means highest power. 2x square minus 3, 3x 3x square minus 2x plus 1. So these are called as the quadratic polynomial. After this, there is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Now what are these cubic polynomials? So the polynomials having degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. Having degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. ठीक है, एग्जांपल 3x cube minus 4x square plus 2x plus 1 is the example of cubic polynomial. देखो यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट डिग्री कितनी है? 3 है. Then also there is biquadratic polynomials. Now what are biquadratic polynomials? The polynomials whose degree is 4 is called as biquadratic polynomial. ऐसे polynomial जिसकी डिग्री 4 होती है, they are called as having degree how much? 4 is called as biquadratic polynomials. Example you can write 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x plus 1. जरूरी नहीं है 4 यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, कहाँ भी आ सकता है that 4. ठीक है, so these are called as the polynomials, or types of polynomials which are classified under the degrees. ठीक है, so like this we have learned this all basic here, introduction to polynomials. The things that we are going to learn in the next video, that we have to learn it from your learn it means we have to read at once at your home, and then we will start our new lecture. But मैंने जो आपको चीजें बोली है कि आपने 8th स्टैंडर्ड में का अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन और दूसरा क्या बोला है, फैक्टराइजेशन, ये दोनों लेसन अच्छे से ध्यान देना है आपको उसकी तरफ, and you should then only you will able to solve the problems of 9th standard. This is very important lesson, will be carried forward in 9th 10th standard and also in 11th and 12th and onwards. ठीक है, so thank you very much.